In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Show, a versatile online presentation tool that is part of the Zoho suite. Whether you're creating a presentation for work, school, or personal use, Zoho Show can help you deliver your message effectively and with style. So let's dive into the steps and get you started on making your next great presentation. First, you'll need to access Zoho Show, which you can do either through your Zoho Workplace account or directly via the Zoho Show website. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard. From here, you have a comprehensive view of all your presentations and tools available at your fingertips. Now, let's get started by creating a new presentation. Look for and click on the option that says Create New Presentation. This action will lead you to a choice. You can either opt for a pre-designed template to save time or start from scratch if you want complete creative control. Templates are great time savers, offering a professional look with minimal effort, but starting from scratch gives you the freedom to tailor every element to your needs. After you've set up your base, you might be wondering how to expand your presentation. Simply click on the new slide icon to add more slides. You can choose different layouts depending on the type of information you're looking to present, ensuring each slide effectively communicates its message. Next up, it's time to customize those slides. Zoho Show provides a robust toolkit that includes text boxes, shapes, diagrams, charts, and media options. These tools allow you to add flair and clarity to your content. Whether you're illustrating complex data through charts or adding images to enrich your narrative, these elements help your audience stay engaged. Once your masterpiece begins to take shape, don't forget to give it a suitable name so you can easily locate it later. To do this, click the Rename button at the top of your screen. This step is often overlooked but is crucial for efficient file management. Adding content is simple with Zoho Show. Make use of the diverse options like text, images, charts, shapes, and even media files to enhance your presentation. These components play a critical role in transforming your slides from plain text to interactive, visually appealing displays. Collaboration is also a breeze on Zoho Show. Just hit the share button to work jointly with colleagues or share your presentation with your audience. This feature is especially helpful for gathering feedback or making last-minute team edits. Lastly, when you're ready to deliver your presentation, you'll find Zoho Show offers smooth presenting and broadcasting options. Whether you're delivering remotely or in person, your presentation can be broadcasted with ease, ensuring you connect with your audience no matter where they are. And that's a wrap on how to use Zoho Show. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. With these tools and tips at your disposal, you're well on your way to creating powerful presentations. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.